Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you an updated Temu strategy to make money easily. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Begin by launching the Temu application on your mobile device. Navigate to the Use section located in the middle of your screen. Select Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Choose Just Pick 'em Up to proceed. Now, tap on Spin to earn rewards instantly. Alternatively, you can refer new users to the app. Share your referral link on social media platforms like Snapchat, WhatsApp, and TikTok. You can also copy the link and share it manually. Tap on Copy Code to retrieve your unique referral code. This code can be shared with your friends and family. By following these steps, you can easily maximize your earnings on the Temu app. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.